My cousin called me yesterday and told me that it took her 8 hours to organize her screen. We ain't got time for that. Today I'm gonna show you ideas and inspiration to get your phone looking aesthetic and functional. So if you're like myself, you're obsessed with the new iOS update and just need a little inspiration and what to do, this is the video for you. Check out these timestamps. Feel free to jump around because time is money, honey. For those of you who sadly cannot do this, not to worry. I'm currently giving away this very cute light pastel iPhone to spread around the aesthetics. All you gotta do to enter is just follow me on this channel and follow me over on TikTok. Expect future aesthetic videos over there. I'll leave the link at the top of the description. That's it. It's that simple. Also, I've had so many different screenshots submitted to me, so if you'd like to be featured in my next video, I'm actually gonna be doing a ranking your iOS 14 screenshots. I'm gonna be featuring and ranking your home screens based on how aesthetic they are. Text me your home screen right now at this number right here with the hashtag iOS 14. And at the very end, I'll show you how my home screen looks. Step numero uno, update your phone. This is how you download iOS 14 for those of you who haven't done it already. All you're gonna do is go to settings, go to general, go to software update, hit install. The update will take about 30 minutes and I really recommend you guys to have your phone at least 80% charged. Step numero dos, declutter, baby. For me personally, clutter scares me. I freeze. My tip would be to start on a fresh canvas. Just remove every single app. And this is how you're gonna do it so that it doesn't get deleted. Click on the app, press down, edit home screen. You're gonna press that little minus sign, and then you're just gonna click move to app library. Now, app library is pretty much just at the end of your home screen when you swipe, and it just includes all of your apps. So step number 3 is to look for inspiration. I'll show you how. So I asked you guys on Instagram to send me what your home screens look like and you guys came through. I'm gonna scroll through some to give you guys a little bit of inspo. You guys are very talented. Let's look through these. Look at that. We have a color theme one. We have a nice like fall one. I love the pastels, so pretty. Oh, look at this one. Gorgeous. We have some green themes up in here, purple theme. Really love how they added motivation and little walking miles, super cute. It's perfect for Halloween. This one was really interesting. I loved how the screen just kind of shifted between colors. It's just the background, but it kind of creates like that illusion. I also really enjoyed how their text was separated like that, so it gave me some inspiration. Oh, this one was so cute. It says Clara, just chill. I need that for myself. Also, another tip is for icons like this, just look for Instagram highlights. It's the best way to make everything look as cohesive as possible, and Pinterest will be your best friend. So if you're an avid Pinterester like myself, just go through your boards. You probably already have a collage of inspiration, so literally you are one step ahead. As far as how to find inspiration, I recommend typing in on Google aesthetic, pastels, whatever theme you're gonna go for. If you're gonna go for a fall theme, if you're gonna go for a Harry Potter theme. When you type in Tumblr aesthetic, a lot of really cute stuff comes up. Love this one, so cute. This one was super simple, just like a nice simple background, and then you just have the weather, the day of the week, where you're at, the day. I love this one too, look at that. I love the little walking thing. I'm gonna definitely do that. I love this one. Okay, I love all of them. This one's super cute as well. Absolutely just love how simple it is. To-do list, super adorable, I love it. Oh, this one was super cute, loved it too. This is what I did for one of my videos that took me forever before all this widget stuff was a thing. Took me hours, and then like a month later this thing comes out. This one's super cute. It kind of has like themes. Very, very nice. Super creative. Oh, this one was adorable. I love just like the more simplistic kind of screens. Purple theme. Colors is a really, really fun theme as well. This one's like very tumblery, very glittery, very nice. Very old school. Have some more here. Their colors. They went all out. Love, love, love that. A little bit of a darker theme. If you just search up colors, I think that's the best way to do it. Before, after, yeah. Cool, I love all the colored theme ones. I think they're so fun. This one was sweet. I also like the color blocks, like just doing color blocks. I think that's really fun too. Comment below if you are here for the inspiration. Step 4 is home screen format. This is where it gets exciting. You can actually customize and decorate your home screen. This is where people can get really overwhelmed, but I'll show you how to do it in quick steps. So the first thing is to look for a design format. You want it to be functional and you also want it to be aesthetics. So here are some examples of how it can look like. It's really simple, just kind of see it like this and already know, okay, I have 4 most used apps that are gonna go here. I have my 4 work apps that are gonna go here. You just wanna section it off so it's not just pretty pretty, but it also has to be functional. So I'll leave you the formats up on screen. Screenshot whichever one you want to go for. This is my current one. I really love it, and I'll show you at the end what mine looks like. Step 5 is to add widgets, but how the hell do you do that? All you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the App Store. Let's say you're making a calendar, yeah? You get to choose a font, background, the border color, save it. Then you're gonna add widget to home screen. You're gonna edit home screen, click on the top widget, scroll down to Widgetsmith, find the widget you made, and add. So now I'm gonna do this with a photo. You're gonna download Widgetsmith. You're gonna go and choose from either small, medium, or large. You're gonna click add widget, tap it to see all the options and the one that best suits you. I feel like you can do a lot more with the small one, also with just the nice medium one. Large one, it's a little bit hard to work with. Just go in, select the picture you want. You're gonna go to your main screen, leave the app, then hold the home screen. You're gonna press add, the little plus sign, scroll all the way back down to widgets, hold down the small, place it, hit done, hold it, edit widget, and then select the new small widget you created, untap. There you go. Lots of steps, but trust me, once you do it twice, you'll get the point of it. Or literally just repeat this part of the video. Step number 6, how do you customize these beautiful icons? Pretty much, you're gonna open up the shortcut app, you're gonna click shortcut, you're gonna add action, you're gonna type in open app. This is a little multicolored little squares. Just click choose, look up the app you want, and then just click the 3 little dots at the top right. Then you're just gonna title the new shortcut, click add to home screen, rename, then change the image or the picture for the one that you already have on your phone. Click add, ta-da, and repeat the same thing for everything else. Now I wanted to share with you some widget apps that are really cool and fun. So we got Widgetsmith, which is what we just used to make all of our widgets. We have Photo Widget. This one's really cool. We have Steve the jumping dinosaur, because who doesn't want a jumping dinosaur on their screen? Then we have Sticky Notes. I thought this one was neat. I still haven't downloaded that one. Color Widgets, also Launch Center Pro, A Widget, Motivation, Dawn, and day count. Feel free to play around with those apps. I will say there has been some cons. People say that Widgets has made their phone laggier and slower. Is that so? Let me know down below in the comments. So now I wanted to give you a little quick preview of my iPhone. My vibe was all pastel colors, inspirational quotes, which actually got a lot from my Instagram pictures. I post a ton of these like really motivational things. So if you're looking for some, feel free to go over to my Instagram, just copy, paste it, add it to your phone. Tag me, baby, because I want to see it. So this is what mine looks like. Pretty much just a really nice watercolor wallpaper. So I added my productivity apps at the top, which are Notes, Notion, Calendar, and Docs. Then I added one of my Instagram pictures, which is a little reminder. You know, I just want positivity on my phone. I hope you know it's okay if your strength looks a little different in this season. And you're gonna press okay. I have my time, the date. My location says New York City because of the Eastern time zone. I have a little note to self. Never a waste of time to do what you love. And then at the very bottom, I have kind of my more social media apps, I guess if you will, Gmail, YouTube, Instagram, a Pinterest, and then swipity-dipity to the next side, we have again 3 quotes for my Instagram. Always find time for the things that make you feel happy to be alive. And then I have a little, it's okay to have bad days, not have it all figured out, start over. And then I have a little reminder, you are not a robot and you deserve rest. Pretty much how I broke this down is put my learning apps at the very top, some other social apps on the side, and then I use some of my like functional apps. I'm so happy with it. Definitely let me know what yours looks like by texting me at this number. Send me your screenshot. I would love, love, love to see it and then be able to feature it in the next video. If you literally just want to send it to me, that's cool, and you don't want me to like rate it, totally fine. I'd love to be able to see it. Do not forget that currently doing this fun little giveaway. All the details for this are down below. Make sure you're subscribed and follow me over on TikTok. If you don't got TikTok, what you doing with all that? Can you download TikTok now? Anyways, I hope you guys had an amazing day. If you missed me before then, feel free to follow me on the vlog channel. We are getting back to posting. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I love you so much.